Well, welcome to another DIY apostle adventure. I'm going to make a meatloaf. It's going to be very interesting. The various ingredients. We're going to have some brown sugar. We're going to have some oats. And the brown sugared oatmeal that's in it. We're gonna have a little bit of, yes, I like that, marinated sauce. And that's pasta sauce. Some garlic. I have a little bit of garlic. There we go. A little bit of garlic in there. And of course, bread. The typical eggs. I'm going to take the bread and we're going to take the bread in the oat, the instant oatmeal that has the brown sugar in it, and we're going to allow that to absorb, soak in some milk. We've got onions and pepper, and we're going to have also some carrots and some tomatoes. And we're going to saute that just a little bit before we mix it into the meat. All right, so let's get started. And remember, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. And you too, my friend. As I previously stated, we're going to take some bread and I'm going to cut the bread very fine, as fine as I can. Most people just cut it about that side, but I want it fine because I'm going to do some mixtures here. And yes, it's going to be even more finer when we mix it with the milk and also with the instant. And always make sure that you wash your hands before you make some food and prepare for folks. That's nasty, gruesome. Yes, I use gloves, but I don't like using too much because sometimes the gloves, the material from the gloves, especially them hospital gloves, the residue from it, believe it or not, even though that they might be brand new, can have some sort of effect. And I don't want that. So I'm opening this oatmeal up. This is oatmeal brown sugar. Yes, sounds good already, doesn't it? All right. And I'm doing 2 packs because it's going to be quite a bit of, and I think I might get another piece of bread. Yeah, because it's going to be a nice big pan of meatloaf. I want to get as soggy as it can. Just a few minutes. Next, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to saute some onion. All right, got my onion and yeah. I have my onions and peppers crushed up. Use a blender because I want it as fine as I could. I don't want it in chunks. Not for this project. Okay, so while I'm still soaking my bread oat in to the milk, and I'm still got my onions, cabbage, peppers, tomatoes sauteing for just a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and make my special, this is a mug, make my special mixture here. And I'm going to start off with just a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Yes, that is different. Just a tablespoon right there. It's going to have a little kick to it. And brown sugar. I want about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm sorry, it's 2. All right, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I want about half of this. This is the tomato sauce, pasta sauce, marinated. So I have some other ingredients in it as well. I like it. I love the flavor of this. Love it. I'm a pizza man. Y'all just forgive me. All right. Do y'all see this? You see it, right? Sweet brown sugar. And this is barbecue sauce. So you notice there's a lot of brown sugar, right? Yes, because I want it to be sweet. Yes, so put that in there. Mix it. Oh, that's some sweet barbecue sauce. Love it. And last but not least, just some typical ketchup. That's all. Pour this in there. Now mix this all up. It's nice paste. All right, good paste. This is gonna go inside of the meatloaf. All right, my saute is just about finished, and my bread and everything is about finished. So I'm about to get the meat. Okay, this is pretty much where I want it at. This is already sauteed at a nice texture that I'm looking for. Because all this, along with this oatmeal bread mixture, is gonna go in my meatloaf. Now I wanna say this. I'm going to put the meatloaf, I'm gonna make all the ingredients in this pan here, but when I put it in the oven, I'm gonna take it and transfer into this pan, okay? So I wanted that to be known. All right, let's get the meat together. DIY Apostle. Listen, while I'm waiting for the stove to finish cooking my meatloaf, I'm gonna go ahead and put up all my ingredients, put that up. I'm gonna wash the dishes. Yes, we're gonna clean up our mess. But I'm also gonna go ahead and mix up my sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce with my ketchup. Okay, with my ketchup and a little bit of minced onions. Okay, while I'm waiting. All right, it's been 45 minutes already, and it looks nice and brown just like I wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and smack some of this special sauce on. I want to kind of spread it evenly. Okay, so yeah, I want to kind of paste it around there evenly. I like this pan because it holds in the flavor. Yes. Oh God, this is gonna look good. It's gonna taste good. And right now, it smells good. The DIY Apostle at his work. Go on, Apostle. Y'all give me some kudos out there. So baby, how that meatloaf came out?
Your meatloaf came out very, very nice.